Pathogen control is essential for animal health and maximum growth. Pathogens present in the animal colonize the villi and brush border membranes of the intestine. Pathogens have lectins on their surface which attach to mannose sugars on the villi and multiply, producing toxins. This causes destruction or atrophy of the villi, resulting in uneven and irregular villi structures, reducing the absorption of nutrients. Nature finds its own ways to defend itself. Manoproteins derived from the cell walls of yeast, using a proprietary process developed by Alltech, are the basis for the product Bio-MOS. Bio-MOS is uniquely structured. The unique degree of phosphorylation gives MOS the perfect balance of pathogen binding and immune modulation. At intestinal level, Bio-MOS acts as a decoy, attracting pathogens to attach to mannose sugars on its surface rather than the villi surface. Once immobilized, these pathogens are excreted without harm to the animal. This leads to a regular, healthy villi surface, which can efficiently absorb nutrients, and to better animal health and performance. Bio-MOS can also interact with the immune system. At the base of the villi are areas known as Pear's patches. Within these Pear's patches, special cells called microfold or M cells are present. These continuously sample the contents of the intestinal fluid for foreign substances and warn the immune defense system of potential problems. Bio-MOS helps M cells do their job more efficiently. When Bio-MOS, with pathogens attached to it, is sampled by the M cell, it sinks to the center of the cell, where it meets a macrophage and is engulfed by it. Macrophages digest the MOS and pathogens and present pieces of the MOS and pathogens on their surface as antigens. These antigens trigger T cells to become active. The T cells send out signals to B cells called cytokines. The B cells, recognizing these signals, then move from the M cells back into the surrounding tissue and release immunoglobulins. Immunoglobulins, IgAs, produced in this way are specific to both the pathogens encountered by the Bio-MOS and to general pathogens. These immunoglobulins rise and become concentrated in the villi surface and intestinal fluid, ready to help fight infections before they become a problem. Bio-MOS, improving animal performance naturally.